As we recall, adjectives are words that modify nouns, adding extra details to those nouns in terms of state or location. You may also remember that in Latin, adjectives must change their endings in order to agree completely with the word that they modify. That will include case, gender, and number. In an earlier tutorial, we introduced adjectives of the first class, and we covered adjectives in this class ending in us, a, This was a very large group, including adjectives like bonus, bona, bonum, altus, alta, altum, and antiquus, antiqua, antiquum. However, there are certain adjectives that have a dictionary form ending in er instead of us for the masculine nominative singular. In this tutorial, we are going to take a closer look at those. The er adjectives are split into two subgroups, just like the second declension nouns. The first group retains the entire er syllable before adding the endings for the rest of the cases. We could say that they decline like the noun puer, pueri. The second group, however, drops the e before adding the endings for the other cases, behaving just like the noun ager, agri. For this reason, it is very important to memorize the dictionary form of all adjectives. Sometimes this process can be facilitated by recalling English derivatives, which show the true stem of the adjective. Here's how this trick works. Liber, free. This gives us words like liberal and liberate. The e is kept, so it's group A. Pulcher, beautiful. This forms pulchritude. Here, the e is dropped, so it's group B. Integer, untouched, whole. This gives integrity. The e is dropped, group B. Miser, wretched, gives misery, group A. Sacer, sacred, gives sacrilege or sacred, group B. Prosper, fortunate, gives prosperity, group A. Let's now go over two declined examples, one from group A and one from group B, in the singular and the plural. First, for group A, liber, libera, liberum means free. Singular. Liber, libera, liberum. Liberi, liberae, liberi. Libero, liberae, libero. Liberum, liberam, liberum. Libero, libera, libero. Liber, libera, liberum. Plural. Liberi, liberae, libera. Liberorum, liberarum, liberorum. Liberis, liberis, liberis. Liberos, liberas, libera. Liberis, liberis, liberis. Liberi, liberae, libera. Now for group B. Pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum means beautiful. Singular. Pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum. Pulcri, pulcrae, pulcri. Pulcro, pulcrae, pulcro. Pulcrum, pulcram, pulcrum. Pulcro, pulcra, pulcro. Pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum. Plural. Pulcri, pulcrae, pulcra. Pulcrorum, pulcrarum, pulcrorum. Pulcris, pulcris, pulcris. Pulcros, pulcras, pulcra. Pulcris, pulcris, pulcris. Pulcri, pulcrae, pulcra. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary. Here are some adjectives that decline just like liber, libera, liberum. Miser, misera, miserum. Tener, tenera, tenerum. Prosper, prospera, prosperum. Mortifer, mortifera, mortiferum. Asper, aspera, asperum. And then these adjectives decline like pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum. Ater, atra, atrum. Aeger, aegra, aegrum. Ruber, rubra, rubrum, niger, nigra, nigrum, sacer, sacra, sacrum, noster, nostra, nostrum, wester, westra, westrum. Now let's look at a few phrases that use some of the adjectives we just introduced. First, a few from Group A, and then a few from Group B. Notice the agreement between the adjective and the noun it modifies. Animus liber, servus miser, tenera capella, asperum bellum, mortifer morbus, misera puella, liber incola, sacrum templum, vestra villa, nigra pila, nostrum oppidum, pulcrum lilium, populus nigra, atrum caelum, mala rubra, taberna atra. Now let's build a few sentences. Magister noster, nos semper laudabit. Pulcra patria nostra, libera non est. Miseri estis, quod amici vestri aegri sunt. With more first-class adjectives understood, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.